Hi, welcome to Idea Acupuncture YouTube channel. My name is Dhanraj. Firstly, I would like to thank all the subscribers who are with me all the time, giving me all the support for and encouraging me to put more and more videos. Also, I apologize to everyone that it has been a while since I posted any new video, as I was bit occupied in another activity. Going forward, I'll try and continue the pace and put more and more videos in relation to mindfulness manifestations, etc. In this video we are going to see about an important topic or important thing related to the importance of being more mindful. Nowadays people are getting more and more aware about their health and well-being, so they are trying to hit gym, going for a long walk, jogging, etc, etc. But are we trying to be more conscious about our mental health? We are fine in taking care of the physical body, right? But are we trying to focus anything on the mental health? For example, our spirit always says to prioritize us being healthy, both on our physical aspect as well as on the mental aspect. But in the busy and the modern world, we tend to carve for a lot of short-term happiness, like eating more sugary foods rather than concentrating on what is actually needed for the body, or working round the clock rather than spending time with our loved ones, or being highly active on social media and other OTT sites where we watch web series and movies rather than taking time to cut out all the negative thoughts which is draining our energy, or go inside ourselves to be more mindful. Sometimes we drink more carbonated beverages or high caffeine content beverages rather than drinking more and more water. So it's very important, vital for us to be more mindful in our daily walks in life. How many times have we noticed ourselves, the beautiness or the tasteness of the water which we drink? How many times are we concentrating on our plate of food rather than watching television, etc, etc? So it's like our mind gets in dwelled into other activities rather than being concentrating on the activity which we are doing. So this happens because our mind is running very fast and we are not able to control it, so we just run behind whatever it is being carving for, and this impacts our emotional well-being. So when the emotions, which is otherwise called as energy in motion, so wherever the thought goes, the emotion also travels around it. So when we keep on dwelling in the past, on fear, on worry, etc, it impacts our mental health. When the mental health gets impacted, obviously our physical health will also goes for a toss. So it's very important for us to be more mindful. So organize our thoughts on what activity we are doing on a day to day basis. At times it will take, it becomes more difficult when we start, but as a practice, when we do, for example, while eating food, let's cut out everything, concentrate on the food, and we chew it and we grind it completely, and then we eat that particular food. While drinking water, focus on that particular water and then drink. If you want to manifest or something, you can, a lot of techniques which we do using water, etc, so you can practice that one. So take a time out. So when we are working around the clock, 1 hour or 2 hour continuously, take a time out, 2 minute or a 3 minute short break. Just collect your thoughts on what you're doing and then organize it. So this will enable us to be more mindful in the activities which we are doing, and it will definitely enhance our mental health. So when our mental health is being enhanced and it is in proper order, obviously it will create a positive impact on the physical aspect as well. So it will make us more stronger, it will enable us to do all the activity which we are intent to do. Hence, because recent times we are seeing like people who are fit in their body, in their physical health, but since their mental health has been affected, they are not able to survive for a more number of years. So though they are physically fit, but mentally, when they are getting disturbed, there are a lot of things like cardiac arrest, or they choose some other negative thinkings, and it'll end their life. So let's focus more on our mental health. When our physical body or physical health is important, it is equally important for us to take care of our mental health. So a lot of practices which you can do, like yoga or pranayama. You want to do manifestations, waking up early, and being with the nature for some time, cutting out all the thoughts for some time. It's very important. Go inside yourself, understand what is the real desire, and then build from that particular desire. I hope you like this video. Please let me know your thoughts, comments, and suggestions. I'll try and put a lot of more videos in the coming days. Thank you and have a nice day.